Do you want to order at Korean cafes but don't know how? Or maybe you want to understand what your favorite K-drama stars are saying when they are at cafes. Don't worry. I will tell you what you need to know about ordering at Korean cafes. You will learn about the types of Korean cafes. I will also teach you common words and phrases you can use right now. Let's go! Korean cafes come in many different styles. Each one has its own special purpose. 프랜차이즈 카페, 개인 카페, 스터디 카페, 디저트 카페, 애견 카페, 고양이 카페. Here are a few of the common cafe brands in Korea. 스타벅스, 메가커피, 투썸 플레이스, 이디야 커피, 탐앤탐스, 커피빈. Next, here is a list of common cafe words. 영수증, 진동벨, 카운터, 머그잔, 일회용 컵, 테이크아웃, 빨대, 냅킨, 컵홀더, 와이파이, 콘센트, 메뉴판, 얼음, 시럽, 휘핑크림, 아이스, 핫, 매장, 에스프레소, 사이즈. At Korean cafes, you can order at the counter or at a kiosk. When you order at the counter, the staff will give you a pager called a 진동벨. When your drink is ready, the 진동벨 will vibrate and light up. Take the 진동벨 to the counter to get your drinks. Many cafes have touchscreen machines for ordering. At the top of the screen, you can choose your language. When you order, you may also get a 진동벨. Korean cafe menus have three main parts: 커피, 논커피, and 사이즈. Here are the most common coffee drinks. 아메리카노, 카페라떼, 바닐라 라떼, 카푸치노. These drinks are great options if you don't like coffee. 초코라떼, 녹차라떼, 밀크티, 에이드. The sizes are similar to what you know from other coffee shops. 레귤러, 톨, 그란데, 벤티. Korean cafes love to offer special drinks that match each season. Here are some common drinks. 수박 주스, 팥빙수, 고구마 라떼, 유자차, 벚꽃 라떼, 단호박 라떼. These are the basic phrases you will need to order any drink. 안녕하세요. 주문할게요. 네. 아니요. 괜찮아요. Here's how to customize your drink. 덜 달게 해주세요. 샷 추가해 주세요. 휘핑크림 빼주세요. 두유로 해주세요. 따뜻한 걸로 주세요. 차가운 걸로 주세요. This is how you can talk about payment. 카드로 할게요. 현금으로 할게요. 영수증 주세요. 영수증 버려주세요. If you are unsure about remembering all of these phrases, Don't worry. We made a free Korean cafe phrases PDF guide to help you practice. Click the link down below to get it. Here are some useful phrases for the cafe. 빨대 어디 있어요? 냅킨 좀 더 주세요. 와이파이 비밀번호 알 수 있을까요? 콘센트 있는 자리 있나요? 몇 시에 문 닫아요? 여기서 먹고 갈게요. 포장해 주세요. Now you are ready to order at the Korean cafe with confidence. What is your favorite cafe phrase? Let me know in the comments below.